Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to enable voice typing in Google Keyboard. If you've been searching for a way to turn on voice typing in the Gboard keyboard on your mobile device, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To enable voice typing in Google Keyboard, first of all, open the Gboard app on your mobile device. Once open, you will see various keyboard settings. Scroll down until you find voice typing. Once you find it, tap on voice typing. A new screen will appear where you will see a toggle switch button next to use voice typing. Just tap on this switch button to enable the voice typing options on the Google Keyboard. Once you have enabled it, go to the note or message box or anywhere you want to type using voice speaking. Tap on the typing area on the screen. Once you tap it, the Google Keyboard will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now, on the top right side of the keyboard, you will see a microphone icon. Tap on the microphone icon. If you are using voice typing for the first time, the Gboard app will ask for access permission. Just allow it from the pop-up screen. Now, start speaking what you want to type. Speak clearly into your device microphone. Gboard will convert your speech into text. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable and use voice typing on your mobile using the Gboard keyboard.